Hey writers, trying to pick between Storyist and Scrivener for your next big project? Let's break them down and see which one fits your needs best. First up, we have Storyist. It's a writing app made for Mac and iOS users, perfect for novelists and screenwriters. It's got a clean, simple interface that feels like a breeze to use. You can organize your story with a storyboard, use virtual index cards for scenes, and track characters and plots with story sheets. It's great for screenwriting with built-in templates and supports tons of export formats like PDF, Word, and even Final Draft. Plus, it syncs easily with your iPad and iPhone for writing on the go. Now we have Scrivener. This is a powerhouse for all kinds of writers. Novelists, screenwriters, students, you name it. It works on Mac, Windows, and iOS. Scrivener's binders let you break your project into chunks like chapters and scenes and move them around easily. It has a corkboard for planning, tracks your word count goals, and stores research right next to your writing. It's super customizable but can feel a bit complex at first. So, how do they compare? Storyist is simpler and shines for Apple users who want a straightforward app with strong screenwriting tools. Scrivener offers more features and flexibility, making it ideal for complex projects and nonfiction, but it has a steeper learning curve. Storyist costs $59 for Mac or free on iOS with limited features, while Scrivener is $49 for Mac and Windows or $19.99 for iOS if you're a Windows user. Storyist isn't an option. For screenwriters or Apple fans who love simplicity, go with Storyist. For detailed projects or cross-platform needs, Scrivener is your pick. Try their free trials to see what clicks, and that's it. Happy writing, and let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.